So I got the unit out of my Honda Pilot. I'm going to replace the lights, the backlights on these buttons because they are all busted. Well, not all of them, but I think this one is busted. I think so. This busted. This one is busted. So I'm gonna replace all of it. I bought the lights in Amazon. So basically disconnect this stuff, and I'm gonna open it up here, and then we'll see. I thought opening this one, unscrewing this, there are like 4 screws, will show the lights, but you still have to do more work on this one. Okay, we'll see if there's an opening. There you go. So you just lift this PCB up, and then just flip it over, and you got these lights over here, here, and here. Yep. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lights. Yep. So we're gonna replace the bulb here. Gonna use a small precision screwdriver, flathead. Rotate it counterclockwise, and pull the bulb out. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Should come out. Yeah, space is just tight here too. Yep. And then we're gonna pull this bulb out. Yeah, these wires here, just take them out. And here are my replacement. I think I got like 10 of them from Amazon. They're really cheap. I think they're around like $5. Okay, now I got the bulb inserted, so you're just gonna try putting it into the holes there. It should come out this way. Yep. There's actually 2 holes there in the holder. Now I'm gonna bend the legs. Now I got the legs bent on the side. Yep. Actually, the one. Oh, it's hard to focus, but there should be contacts in here. This is the one that contacts the board. Okay, I got all bulbs replaced. Basically, yeah, some of this got stripped because probably the legs are longer or thicker, so it's hard to like tighten them. So this one, and I think this one got over tightened. Oh well, it got stripped because I tried to tighten them really tight. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna put things back together. It's nighttime, so yep, so we're gonna put the plugs back in. Yep, there are 4 plugs in here, and see how it goes. Okay, let's try it on. Turning on the car. Okay, let's turn off the light. Okay, now I'll turn off the flash. Okay, now turning on the headlight. Where's the headlight? Okay, yep. So all lights are on now. Yep. Yeah, before I think I lost the mode, and I don't have the off and the auto. Yep. Yep, so everything is on now. So that's how you replace the lights on the buttons.